All right, so this is how you reset the oil maintenance light on a 2015 Toyota RAV4. All right, as you can see, the maintenance required light is on. All right, and this is what you do. Come over here to the steering wheel and you press display until it says trip A on the odometer. All right, and once you're on trip A, you turn the car off. Now what you got to do is hold down display while you turn the car to key on, engine off. So we're gonna hold down display, hold it down while you turn engine on, key off. And this is what we're gonna start doing. Once those zeros flash, then you can let go of display, and there you go. You reset it, your maintenance required oil light.